Stapleton is watching you.
Who said that?
Not me.
Not me. Who's me?
You're Watson.
I know I'm Watson. How do you know I'm Watson?
You're my assistant.
Ah. So, we meet again. Sherlock Holmes.
What?
Right. Yes. I am Sherlock Holmes. Have you been drinking, Watson?
No, this is evidence.
And they don't pay you for booze? How did you pay to find Sue? Stupid detective!
How did you know Stapleton was following me?
Because he's right over there.
Indeed he was. How do we capture him, Sherlock?
I don't know. We must think of something. To the thinking circle. I have an idea.
Yes?
But I'm not gonna tell you.
No.
Do you have an idea?
Yes.
Yes,
I do.
nice.
Let's make him a trap. A
Okay.
bad trap.
Yes. That's very good work, Watson. You've earned a lolly.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
give to you later.
Thank you.
Yes, we must. Watson.
Yes.
This is extremely boring.
Yes. I gotta have a line.
Wanna play Ludo?
Sure.
I am really special cause there's only one of me. Look at my smile, I'm so damn happy other people are jealous of me. When I'm sad and lonely, I like to sing this song. It cheers me up and shows me that I won't be sad for long. Oh, 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 I'm so happy, I can barely breathe. Puppy dogs and sugar frogs and kittens, baby teeth. Watch out all you mothers, I'm happy, it's hardcore. Happy as a coupon for a $20 whore. I'm really happy, I'm sugar-coated me. Happy, good, anger, bad, that's my philosophy. I can't do this, man, I'm not happy. I'm really special cause there's only one of me.
Watson!
Yes?
That's unacceptable! To the naughty stool!
Huh? I don't like the naughty stool. I don't like the sun either. I like lolly. Dog's coming! Dog's coming over there. Henry's running very fast. I don't understand why Henry's running too fast.
The Henry's being followed!
Who
Help
is
me!
Henry being followed by?
Help the Henry! Help Henry!
Oh, there's the dog. Oh no. Crazy zombie dog from hell. lolly, but lolly's gone. It's over.
Help! Help the Henry!
I can't. That was the naughty stool. If I go off Henry, Sherlock's gonna be bad. He's gonna be bad to me. No! No, Henry is being eaten. No! That is not good. Wait. I can feel the batteries are going out. I can't stand up. Ah! I beat you.
Eat shit and die.
Help the Henry!
Great timing, Sherlock, but what about Stapleton? What about Henry?
Shut up, Watson. Watson,
Yes?
are you really British?
No. I'm from Norway. People just thought I was gay until I started talking with an accent. Now I've gotten laid. Twice.
Wow. But Watson,
Yes?
are you really a doctor?
No. I'm a male nurse.
Well, I'll be damned. The Henry is injured. The dog bit Henry in the finger. It hurts.
I hope you kept the receipt.
In